Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover database backups with Oracle Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover database backups with Oracle Cloud, start by logging into your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the Oracle Cloud dashboard. Locate the Databases section from the main menu. Select the database instance you want to recover. Click on the instance name to open its details. In the Details view, find the Backups tab. Click on the Backups tab to see all available backups. Identify the specific backup you wish to restore. Check the timestamp and status of the backup to ensure it's the correct one. Once identified, click on the Restore option. A prompt will appear to confirm the restoration process. Review the details in the prompt, then click Yes to proceed. The system will now initiate the restore process. Monitor the status of the restore operation. You can check the progress under the Activity section. Once completed, a notification will appear confirming the successful restoration. Finally, verify the integrity of the database by running a few test queries. Your database should now be successfully recovered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.